Now, social media has a huge impact on our self-esteem. In a society where ideals of beauty are based on our appearances, skin tone and body shape, young women and girls encounter negativity online, which is really damaging to their identities, which is why Africa's boldest beauty festival is starting off in South Africa this year. Now, after noticing a gap in representation of what is perceived as beautiful, co-founders Kanchana Mudlia and Yasmin Kathoria decided to create a strong platform for beauty with a purpose, daring to care for all shades and shapes in between, challenging the way we define beauty. Welcome to Afternoon Express.
Thank you so much
What
for having
a
us.
brilliant idea, and it's so needed. Firstly, you both have extensive experience in the beauty industry. So how did you enter the beauty experience, and what were your professions? What was your take on beauty?
So my first job after school, when I was 19, was a beauty counter girl at Stratford's.
Okay.
I used to train on how to do makeup, and used to do makeup on people and spray perfume, and that's where I developed this absolute passion for beauty and makeup. But I always saw it as a way of self-expression.
Yeah.
I loved the art of it.
Yeah,
so,
me too.
And then I kind of went into the world of marketing and branding and got a chance to combine the two when I worked on big international brands, and then I worked for Unilever for many years in brand development, working on some of the world's biggest beauty brands. So that's how I've kind of developed my passion for beauty.
And you?
My feeling is not just about beauty, but what beauty can do for you. So I used to work on some big brands as well when I was younger, and started seeing how people use makeup, beauty, skincare, all these different products to create identity for themselves. And for me, that was the interest I started taking, because now as a business humanizer, I can see how the world of beauty has opened up and changed so much, and where we can play a real role. And that has been my passion, really, in how we can change things through beauty.
Sure. Now, when did your perception of beauty change, and why is it so important that we view beauty in different ways?
So I think as young girls, we've always been shown standards of beauty. And I think as you get older, you see representation in different ways. You either see yourself in something or you don't see yourself in something. And I think Yaz and I both had the same feeling when we were younger. We used to work in environments where we never saw ourselves
I want to see myself in Gigi Hadid, but I don't.
Exactly. So we were seeing ourselves less and less. And I think where the actual shift happened is working across the world's biggest brands. We started seeing that a change needed to happen. And for me, it was always about the fact that we can play a role in that change. And that's when we started chatting about the fact that we could have a real impact in the world if we decided that we could take an intentional decision to change it, not just for ourselves, but for a whole lot of other people around us, which is the beauty industry of South Africa.
Now, into the beauty revolution. What is it and how does it work?
So our vision for the beauty revolution was exactly like Kanchana said: if there's something that you look around you and you don't like, change it. And both of us have been working together for many years, but we've known each other for 15 years. And we have this innate trust in each other. And our day job, we call ourselves business humanizers, which means we look at business and find ways to put humans at the center. And joining that with our passion for seeing more representation in the beauty industry, we said, let's combine the two. Let's humanize the beauty industry. And our hashtag is humanizing beauty. And our vision for the beauty revolution is to create a community of people that can come together and bond over beauty, not make beauty a source of pressure, but make beauty a source of connection for people. And we see that young people are actually, we've built such an amazing following without even trying. At first, we were just doing organic posts. We started this Instagram page. We were like, let's crowdsource some ideas. Let's see if people are interested in this topic. Let's see if people want a revolution, because the revolution is not about myself and Kanchana. We wanted to see whether people loved it. And I think it's the time is now for people to say, I belong to something that is diverse, that is inclusive, that accepts me.
I mean, I started modelling when I was young, and most of my career has always been based on an aesthetic. But if I think of years back, the modelling industry and the beauty industry was about exclusivity. It was about that girl in the magazine that no one... She was so exclusive. So perfect. So perfect, nobody looked like her. Nowadays, it's all about inclusive. But also, So it's about that girl with the ginger hair and the freckles and the gap in the teeth. I mean, that is now what is interesting. That's a good model.
But it's not just about that, because I think that feels to us like that's a trend, and that's not what we're trying to say. We say, my skin is not a trend. You know, my look is not a trend. It's about being inclusive and human, about how we see people. That everybody should be feeling as though they're beautiful. And I think we live in a world where we set a standard of beauty, and then everybody needs to adhere to that. It's exactly what we were talking about earlier. Oh, if we don't have that body, I'm ugly. If I don't have that look, I'm ugly. And then we tend to say, oh, you know, I don't see myself in the world anymore. So then my self-esteem and my actual psychology is affected by these things.
Really
and negatively, especially as we see these posts of perfection everywhere that we go. And what we want to say is that where we are right now, where we are today, a more inclusive world, a world without judgment, is what we want to create. And it's not about us, it's about saying we want to create a community of people who feel engaged to be themselves in the world today, to act as themselves, because we'll have a happier world. We have more stress than we need.
Exactly.
Imagine just beauty standards, even more, you know.
And also representing the beauty revolution, you've also got a panel of the most incredible influencers as your masterclass panel. Who are they and what are they going to be doing?
So, you know, it's such an interesting story, but we never planned, like, to have influencers. We wanted to find people that were as engaged and as passionate as we were about inclusivity and representation. And the people that started to be attracted to what we were talking about were Thick Leonce.
I'm obsessed with
her. I'm obsessed with her. Like, you don't understand our team.
And she's so sharp.
She's so witty, funny.
So we are so excited to have her. She's going to be talking about body positivity. We're going to have some panel discussions. And then we have Thando Hopper. And she as well, she was one of the first people to like really believe in the cause. She lives this. She talks, you know, she tells such beautiful stories. And we also have Rish Tush, who's going to come and talk to us about body positivity. So we have some amazing people joining us. Lots more names. I can drop more names, but you guys can go to our Instagram page as well.
But I think what's important to say is that there's panels, meaningful panels, which Jazz was talking about, and then we have makeup classes as well with makeup artists, and we have hair. You know, so there's, but all the best in the industry that are coming forward to share their knowledge of this world that they live in every single day. So the makeup artists are completely different from the panels, which is all about the purpose that we are trying to bring into the world today. Because obviously you're going to see the festival, you're going to see this love for makeup and this amazing like candy store, you know, where you're going to go into and be entertained completely. But when you go into this panel, you're going to be transformed on a very soul level. And that's what the panels are about.
I'm obsessed. Thank you so much. This is a revolution I can deal. Thank you very, very much for an amazing concept, and I wish you the best of luck.
Thanks so much for having us.
Great.